Most people think height is 100% genetics. You're either tall or you're unlucky. But that's not fully true. Here's the reality. After a certain age, you probably can't grow new inches in your bones, but you absolutely can look taller and unlock height you're already losing without realizing it. Let's break it down. After puberty, your growth plates close. That means your long bones stop lengthening. No stretching routine, no jumping program, no supplement can magically reopen them. That part is biology, and ignoring it just wastes time. But here's what most people don't understand. Your visible height is not just bone length. It's posture, spinal compression, muscle balance, and how your body stacks itself under gravity every single day. Here are 5 ways to make you taller. First, posture. Throughout the day, gravity compresses your spine. Your vertebral discs slowly lose fluid, and by nighttime, you're literally shorter than you were in the morning. For most people, that's up to 2 centimeters or 1 inch. Now imagine what happens if you sit all day, slouch, crane your neck forward, and never decompress your spine. That temporary compression becomes your new normal. This is why posture work matters. When you strengthen your upper back, open your chest, and fix forward head posture, your spine stacks correctly again. You're not growing new bone, you're restoring natural alignment. This alone adds visible height instantly. And the best part is you don't need complicated routines. You need daily spinal decompression, like hanging from a bar, and to be aware of how you sit and stand. That is only a couple minutes per day, an outcome definitely worth it. Second, muscles. Here's something nobody talks about. Muscle imbalance makes you shorter. Tight hip flexors pull your pelvis forward. Weak glutes and core collapse your posture. Rounded shoulders fold your upper spine. All of this shortens your vertical line. When you strengthen your posterior chain, glutes, hamstrings, upper back, deep core, your body naturally stands taller without effort because strong muscles keep your spine in the right position. Number 3, proportions. 2 men can be the same height, but one looks taller immediately. Why? Because of their proportions. Let me explain. Longer-looking legs come from high-waisted pants and clean shoe lines. A V-tapered torso makes your waist look higher and your frame taller. Relaxed, upright walking makes you occupy vertical space instead of collapsing inward. Even your neck position matters. A forward head posture can visually subtract centimeters from your height. Fix that, and your silhouette changes instantly. 4, bone health. Just because bones don't lengthen doesn't mean they stop adapting. Strength training, sprinting, and proper recovery keep your skeletal system resilient and upright. Vitamin D, protein, calcium, and enough sleep don't make you taller, but they help you maintain your maximum possible height instead of shrinking over time. Most men don't lose height with age, they shrink because of bad habits. 5th, the only way. Let's be honest, if you want actual skeletal height increase at any cost, there's only one proven method: limb lengthening surgery. I don't recommend this, but it might work. It involves months of recovery, pain, and risk. That's not a hack, that's a surgery, and you need to treat it like a surgery. So you don't need to grow taller to look taller, just follow this guide. What topic do you want me to cover in the next video? Comment below, and make sure to subscribe because I'm going to drop more valuable content like this. Peace.